Hey guys, Mumuso here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you my top 3 products that I routinely use to keep my pores smaller and finer. As you can see, my skin, this area, it has like enlarged pores, and I do have an uneven skin tone right now because I went outside for a walk. My skin looks very dull actually, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel so bright. So I am gonna show you my top 3 favorite products that I really love to use to reverse the effect of the sun, keeping my pores smaller and finer. So let's go! So the first product that I am going to show you is one of my favorite oil cleanser, and this is the This is the Kose Sekkisei Treatment Cleansing Oil. This is perfect for night because it's very moisturized. It blends well with your night creams after washing your face, so it doesn't strip off the moisture, and it's very perfect for people with sensitive skin. The second product that I'm gonna use is my face wash. So this is the Belo Essentials Pore Minimizing. This is a popular face wash from the Philippines. It is owned by the biggest cosmetic surgeon in the Philippines. There's a lot of celebrities that go to this place to get enhancement, plastic surgeries, and of course they produce a lot of cosmetic brands for both men and women. So what I like about this product is this is a soap-free gel, so it's not those traditional soap where it bubbles up so much. This is very moisturizing for the skin, and it has an ingredients of kojic acid and also glutathione that boost up the whitening effect, and also it helps to close the pores and exfoliate the skin. The third product that I am gonna be using is the Mumuso 92% moisturizing aloe vera gel. So this is very good for sun exposure or those people who have inflammation on their skin such as acne, sunburn, and dull skin. So it is very highly moisturized, and I will be showing you how I apply this on my skin. So let's go! So the first thing that I do is I use my oil cleanser and I massage my face. It smells very like flower. So as you guys can see, this part of my skin have an enlarged pores. Like most of the time it's our nose, because usually this area of our skin has more oil concentration. So now that we're done with the oil cleanser, I just finished washing my face actually. We are going to be using the Belo Pore Minimizing face wash, and I will show you guys how it looks like. So as you can see, it is clear in color. Can you guys see it from here? There you go. So it is very clear, and it doesn't bubble up. So as you can see, there's less bubbles. Dr. Belo, she was saying on the advertisement that face wash that are soap-free gel are actually very good for your skin because it doesn't strip out moisture. It doesn't make your skin dry, so which is very important, because some face wash actually, like after using it, your skin feels very tight and very dry, which is not good. So I usually just go and massage it for like 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna go and wash it now. So guys, now I just finished washing my face, so I'm gonna dry it up. Now that I finished with the oil cleanser and face wash, I am gonna go ahead and use my aloe vera moisturizing gel, which is a Korean brand, and I really love this product, guys. It smells so good. So as you can see, it's almost finished now. What I do with this one is I actually use my special gadget that I really love, and I have been using this for like 5 years. I got this one from the Philippines, and what I like about this is it has the positive, the negative, and positive. So basically, the positive help with the penetration of the product on your skin, so you don't have to use your hand, and making the product more effective, and it will penetrate more deeper. With the negative one, this one helps to pull out the dirt on your face. So I just grab a big scoop, I put it on my face, and I set it on positive mode, and I just go and massage it. So as you can see, I don't have to use my hand because sometimes your hand absorbing it. So you guys are getting the idea. and it's very relaxing too. Sometimes I also use this machine for like facial mask, and it works very well. Some people, they just leave the aloe vera gel on their face until like, I mean, they just leave it on their face for like 30 minutes. But me, no, I usually use this machine because it works better, and this machine glides smoothly with this gel. So I highly recommend that you guys get your personal machine like this. I think I got this one for like 4,000 peso in Manila. Like in Philippines, they have a lot of good gadgets and cosmetic, which I really like, and actually they're not expensive. I am going to go and wash my face. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my face. This is my final result. As you can see, my skin is more fresh and the pores are more smaller, and my skin has more even skin tone and actually very soft. So yeah, that's the only thing I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do have comments, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and families. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!